Ouch.
You're not allowed to come here. Look at the sign.
Only for Wakandans?
Yes, now go from this place.
Hey Batman, you look a little bit abnormal in size.
Yeah, that stupid Ant-Man shrieked me.
This size fits you.
Ha ha ha, very funny. Now please leave this place.
Excuse me, Batman. Can you come here for a second?
Alright, alright. Hey, Spidey, where are you? Come on, Spidey.
That stupid Batman.
Wakanda.
Welcome to Wakanda. I'm T'Challa's general.
Nice to meet you. Who's T'Challa?
He is the protector of Wakanda. Come, I'll take you to his palace.
Alright then.
That is T'Challa's pet.
He looks scary.
Please welcome King T'Challa. Welcome, Spider-Man.
It's an honor to meet you.
You can stay here forever if you bring some food to my pet.
Like what?
Something good.
Alright. You may leave. I got late, didn't I?
My pet got hungry, so I fed the general. So give me the food. What's this?
Bring something good.